The Hamilton Beach Bread Maker Machine, digital, programmable, 12 settings, gluten-free, dishwasher safe pan, kneading paddle, 2 pounds. Capacity, Black 29882, is a versatile machine that is designed to make the bread-making process as simple as possible. Whether you're a seasoned baker or a beginner, this bread maker has something to offer. One of the standout features of the Hamilton Beach Bread Maker Machine is its variety of settings. With 12 pre-programmed cycles, this machine caters to a wide array of baking preferences. Whether you're in the mood for a hearty whole grain loaf, a basic white bread, or a gluten-free option, this machine has you covered. The design of this bread maker is also commendable. It's sleek and modern, with a black exterior that would complement any kitchen decor. The machine also has a digital display that is clear and easy to read, making it simple to select and adjust settings. In terms of performance, this bread maker generally does a good job. It bakes evenly and consistently, producing loaves that have a nice crust and a soft interior. The machine also operates quietly, which is a bonus if you're sensitive to noise. The Hamilton Beach Bread Maker Machine also comes with a dishwasher safe pan and a kneading paddle, which makes the cleanup process a breeze. This is a big plus for those who love baking but hate the cleanup that usually comes with it. However, like any product, the Hamilton Beach Bread Maker Machine has its downsides. One of the major issues is its size. While the machine's large size is beneficial in terms of loaf capacity, it can be cumbersome and take up a lot of counter space. Another potential downside is that the bread maker can be a bit tricky to use at first, especially for beginners. The instructions provided are not always clear, which could cause some confusion. Additionally, some users have reported that the bread maker's kneading paddle often gets stuck in the loaf, which can be a bit annoying. This machine's durability has also been questioned by some users, with a few reporting that their machine broke down after just a few months of use. Lastly, while the bread maker has a viewing window, it's a bit small and not very clear, making it difficult to monitor the progress of the bread. In summary, the Hamilton Beach Bread Maker Machine is a versatile and generally reliable machine that makes bread making easy and enjoyable. However, its large size, unclear instructions, issues with the kneading paddle, questions about its durability, and a not-so-great viewing window are points that could be improved.